Welcome to the most unsightly garage in the world. Look at all this shit. Crap strewn about. Yep. This is my collection. Veteran links. My most trusty wheel. M10-4. Excellent fuck around wheel. Nosfet Arrow. My new favorite off-road slash fuck around wheel. And this bigode ain't bigodin' no more. Commander Pro. This little bitch cut out on me. Look at this shit. All the pads remain mostly intact though. Had lots of fun on it. Still runs, but don't quite trust it anymore. And this is one of the first stealth bomber Chinese clones out there. I've had this for over 10 years. Well, almost 10 years actually. Got it in like 16. Works great. Still running strong. Love it. And my wife's e-bike. She should really use it more often. It's a great bike. Winter's coming, folks. Gotta make the most use of what we got. Should probably go for a ride today and try this new Insta360. Oh, boo-hoo. It started raining already. Oh yeah, still got it on the M10-4. Quick ride on my Arrow. Oop. Can't pendulum with it like I do with the M10-4. But this is so much of a better ride. I hope this rain is not gonna be too bad. Ugh. Little test.